ਭਾਰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦੀ ਦੂਜੀ ਲਹਿਰ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਖਤਰਨਾਕ ਸਾਬਤ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਪਿਛਲੇ 24 ਘੰਟਿਆਂ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਵੀ 4100 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ 3,62,000 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਵੇਂ ਮਾਮਲੇ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੇਂਦਰੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਰਸ਼ਵਰਧਨ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਦੀ ਸਥਿਤੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
Know that in the last 24 hours we have witnessed 3,62,727 new cases in the country. Also, another satisfying thing has been that 3,52,181 cases have recovered and gone back home in the last 24 hours. At the moment, we have 37,10,525 active cases in the country. Unfortunately, we also feel so sorry and sad that in the last 24 hours we have lost 4,120 lives because of COVID in the country. And out of these 4,120 people who lost their lives, 816 have been in Maharashtra, 516 have been in Karnataka, 300 have been in Delhi, 293 have been in Tamil Nadu, 164 have been in Rajasthan, and 95 have been in Kerala. All by now aware of the strategy to fight COVID. Whether there is a surge or whether there is no surge, the strategy remains the same. Whether there is a variant affecting or variant not affecting, the strategy remains the same. And you have all learnt how to handle COVID, starting from emphasizing on COVID appropriate behavior, ensuring that the COVID appropriate behavior is implemented well. Then of course the strategy to trace, track, test, treat, and then of course ensuring, which we have been doing, to expand our infrastructure. And now in fact, because of the complexity and the long duration of the pandemic now, we feel that the state need to consider the pandemic fatigue factors also, particularly among the healthcare workers. And we have to in fact plan how, by rotation and limiting work hours, along with counseling, motivation, and also recently the Government of India has given guidelines to strengthen the manpower by using the students who are aspiring to appear in NEET PG exam, the final year MBBS students, the interns, and also the retired doctors, the nurses, and the final year nursing students, etc., etc. So this, I think, aspect needs to be again basically focused. A word about the vaccine, which has been repeated time and again, that we have to make sure that the 50% vaccine production of the country right now is being procured by the Government of India, and as was being done earlier for the total production being procured by Government of India and being supplied to the states for the use by the people. And now this 50% is being procured and given free of cost to the states for use by the people. It is for the people above 45 years of age. And there, when we look at the data, we find that there is a significant gap between the numbers of people who have received the first dose and numbers where the people have received the second dose. So there has to be a focused activity in the next couple of weeks to ensure that everyone who got the first dose, he also gets the second dose. And of course, simultaneously, for the non-Government of India, you see, vaccines, the rest 50% manufactured by the drug vaccine manufacturers, which are to be procured by the states and the private hospitals, that activity also has to simultaneously continue. But the second dose has to be given focused preference, and we have said that in no uncertain terms that at least 70% of these doses that are being given to the people all over the country, they have to be given to those who actually need the second dose.
ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਇਸ ਬੁਲੇਟਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ। ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।